That's now got us.
Ta-da! No fucking around.
No fucking around. No fighting. Yeah, this is episode 3 by the way, guys, and you are up there, so we're trying to get it all in. Here's Houston. Because you said in the last videos that I wasn't on camera enough, well here we am. Hiya, here's Houston.
Here's Rob.
There is that. Yeah, still looking really poorly, really sorry for itself. But what I'm going to do at the same time as filming this is I'm going to do a live on TikTok. So that'll have already been done and gone by the time you see this video. But we need to kind of take some of this off now, so you're going to see the mechanical side of things to show you just what's going on. So, Adam, we're going to do this together because it's going to be funny as fuck. You guys are going to love this. This is the state of this car, right? So, Adam, how are we going to remove this bumper? Do we tell him or do we show him?
Do we do it on live as well?
We're doing it on the live. So watch what we do when we set it up. I'll probably edit this out. We're going to do it on the live as well.
Yeah. Dan's got an electric car. He loves it.
Guys, hello. Flinners is here, look.
Yes, Flynn.
So we're doing behind the scenes, right? So me and Adam are next to the Project Scrap It. That's
Yeah, it's a new nickname.
there you go, new nickname, Project Scrap It. So you're going to see what we're going to do, and the camera's up there that we're filming the YouTube video, not that you can see that. It's all going to be live. So me and Adam are going to show you our 2 technicians that have got to rebuild this car. Take a bumper off. As you can see,
You ready?
it's not great, right? So should we do it?
Are you ready?
Watch this. I love it. Guys,
No
you ready?
hands. No hands.
No hands. Flapped it. Ah! So guys, this is Project Scrap It, and this is Project Scrap It. Really broken.
3 cable
spine.
ties was holding that bumper on.
Really. Oh yeah, we'll hold it up for YouTube. There you go. Project Scrap It. So we're going to take front end off. Now, yeah, let's go home, Adam. We've done this.
Yeah.
You guys up there are going to see what we're going to do now. We're going to keep chatting to you, and I've got some hella editing to do on this.
What?
So, yeah, you're going to keep me busy. But we need that off, because we need part numbers. So we need to take, essentially, the front end off. Rad pack's fucked, intercooler's fucked, it's fucked.
Yeah.
So we need to put new front end on it. Guys, you're coming along. You're coming along. Move this out here.
Keep asking your questions as well. We'll try and do the best we can to answer everything. So what car is it? It is a beautiful Audi A3.
But if you go look at episode 1 on YouTube, the B2B Mechanic YouTube channel, you'll go see what it is. And you'll see all around it. But it's quality, isn't it? Quality sick.
Yes.
What do you think, guys? Hey? Oh, what's going off? So, we need this off. That's what we're going to do. So you're going to see Adam, me and Adam, we'll probably time-lapse it. We'll talk to you every so often. But be prepared for some total fucking all out fuckabouts, because that's what we're here for. Bit of a giggle. Another bit gone. Big spiders, not having that. Nope, go. I need to go. Yeet. Yeet! Okay. Right, let's crack on with whipping some shit off then and seeing what's cracking. You can have my arse as well if you want, guys. That's gonna be a feature. Ours is Adam's, is ours do sit down, that kind of thing.
So, let's get this headlight out first.
Broke bit. Flat blade. Broke it off. There's one of the headlights, guys. I don't know what we're doing with that yet. We'll assess.
Unfortunately, I've got to chuck down.
Here he is.
Mind
Come on, Dan.
Scrap it!
Come on.
That's on as well. That's live on TikTok.
Dan,
Oh yeah, scrap it.
VTS.
There's Dan, guys, by the way.
Absolutely scrap it. But these lads seem to think they're going to rebuild it and get it back on the road.
Easy.
And then one of you lucky people, you never know, get that for £2.5 grand.
Yeah, in late. Just fun. Just fun. Talking about, that's it. Crash bar, that's off. It's not in bad nick. It's not in bad nick.
Reusable.
Yeah, we'll reuse that. Drop it down. As you can see, we're in a bit of a mess here. So this is exactly why we're stripping it down. That's the aircon condenser. Behind it is the radiators, 2 radiators. So we're going to replace it as a rad pipe. We're not going to replace the actual panel. So there's nothing shitty going on here, guys. This is full. It's having it all. We want to make it work. We want someone to play a safe and reliable car. If you look, we come along with the journey as well. See exactly what we do. We're going to drop it down.
Is it best to drop gold first?
Why, yeah. How's it going?
Yeah.
We can do that.
We're going up. We're actually going up.
In an environmentally safe manner. With things. Pipe off. What do you reckon? Big enough? Okay, all in the receptacle.
In the comments, why aren't we touching this airbag balloon? Tell me why.
If you want to,
Front end off.
if you want to. For the record, the car's been depolluted by gas. We don't have any aircon gas in it. Ta-da! That's getting replaced. All that is getting replaced. So honestly guys, it don't matter. Rubber bushes, guys, keep things like these. They're not broke. You can't buy them for shit. So you've seen the time lapse now, and we're going to show you just what we've taken off and what this now looks like. So we've essentially removed all the damaged parts. So we're left with obviously your coolant pipes. We know what's going on here. We need a level sensor for that, and all the headlight washer pipes. We know we need these. We've got the coolant pipes are all looking okay. The front end's not been touched by way of this, so it was a front end impact, but it's not actually damaged out. The only thing we're going to have to straighten out is that, because that's bent backwards. Yeah, so all that ain't that bad. So that's what the Audi looks like at the minute, guys. This is going to be episode 3. We're going to keep trying to bring on the content for you. Obviously we are doing it in between our day jobs and quite a distance away from where we actually live. So let me show you some parts we've savaged off. So these are going to be reused, guys. So if you have a look down here, we've got a crash bar, you've got the bonnet catch, and we keep all our bolts together. They're the parts that we're not sure about that yet. We need to have a look at that, and if we can get one, we will. Bus plastic, bus pipe, the engine cover's fine. We'll go for the rad pipe. That's absolutely shag.
The radiator, the cooling fan's fine though. So we're going to try and reuse cooling fan. But everything else on here is needing to be replaced.
Shagged.
So we might be able to reuse some of these sensors if the new one doesn't come with them for any instance. But yeah.
There it is, guys. There it is. So episode 3 concluded. It might go over 2 episodes, just depend on. I don't want to keep it too long and bore you. But the project is called now Project Scrap It, because Dan's got all the faith of nothing. So he's not. There's no George Michael here. Can't sing "Got to Keep the Faith" because he's had, you know. So we're gonna make this work, right? And we're gonna prove him wrong. So that's the idea. It's a bit of fun, bit of crack. What does Adam think? Now we're on episode 3.
It's getting there. It's going to take a bit of time, but we'll get it done. We'll smash it.
Are we a bit more optimistic now? We've got a front end that's stripped and it ain't that
you can
bad.
get in to do all the bits a bit easier. So we can do our service, we can do our cam belt, we can do bits and bobs like that. So it's easy.
He's not wrong though. Look at all the room you get now. So every time you want to do an oil filter, guys, it'd be easier just to take the front end off, right? I think so. Or if you want to,
it's just
the
there. Look now.
oil filter's just in there, look. So if you just scooch past here, there's your oil filter, look. Just here. So just there, there's your oil filter. But yeah, if you want to change your auxiliary belt, my guys, my best advice is take the front end off. Look at this lot. Look, all the room in the world to take that off.
Anything.
By the way, guys, little disclaimer: we are taking the piss. Don't take the front end off for little things like that. Yeah, you don't to service your vehicle, service this vehicle. You don't need to take the front end off. Yeah.
It's just a giggle.
Yeah, we're just throwing it in there. But don't take things too seriously. Just enjoy what you're watching. Enjoy what we're doing. And on that one, Adam, we're going to say, fucking see you in a bit.
In a bit.
Do the drum. Do the drum. Do the rah. Do the rah.
No more drum.
No more drum.